New package from H&M. Okay, so we have this top, which I really love. Really nice. Next one we have wedge sandals, flip-flop. Also I got interesting top. I love it already too. Also we have these sweat pants. So this one is first top. Look how cute it is. See-through. Not stretchy at all. Look like cotton. So here you can play with this scarf, kind of. Okay, let me show you the shoes. I love this top. Definitely, I'll keep it. This looks nice. Minimal style, spring outfit. I love it. Let's try it with white pants. White pants from Zara too, old collection. So what do you think? Next stop is this one. Stretchy. I would say you need size down. Too big for me. I definitely need smaller size. So this one is size small. A little bit shorter and would fit like this. So yeah, I definitely go one size down for this top. Next in the package, these with tank top. Look cute. Also I have this new top. This is not a dress, it's top. So we'll see how it looks. H&M Studio Collection jeans. Ever since that H&M Studio usually sold out pretty fast. This top was sold out like in first 20 minutes, I don't know. So yeah, let's try them on. Also I have these H&M Studio sweat pants. A really low waist. As you can see, back in 2000s. They're super long. I'll show you. H&M Studio flip-flops. Final look. Too baggy, I don't know. Not really my style. My height is 5 and 8 for reference. Not bad, but I probably won't keep it. So next one we have these sweat pants, also from H&M. They're baggy too, and I would say you need size down. I believe I need extra small because they are too big. You see, they're long, really long. I'm 5'8", so this is really long. I like the length, but I don't like them being so wide. I won't keep them, it's too baggy for me. I think it's 100% cotton. This stretchy a little. It's collar, like washed collar. So next one we have this top. So as you can see, it's totally open back. You won't wear it without bra, so yeah, top or bra is essential, I would say, because you see, like, you need it. Cute. Yes. Let me put on shoes. So yeah, this is how this top goes. Definitely not my style. It's too open for me. Cute, but I don't know. Tell me in a comment, what do you think? I feel like it's too much of open space you have on your body. So yeah, it's metal detail. Oh yeah, you can kind of shift it in a different direction. So tell me in a comment, would you buy it? You know, guys, I feel like I can keep it for summer vacation, like wear it with swimsuit and walking on a beach. It would be more appropriate, I guess, than regular wearing. But you can do both. You can wear it like night out outfit with pants, or keep it simple like this for vacation. So next one we have this lace set. Actually looks good. Boots here would be a nice touch. Let's try it. And jacket here will be like nice additional. Let me show you the boots. Something like that. What do you think? I think I keep this set. I like it. With boots, it looks really awesome. I like it.